Hey guys, I'm Codemeister, and it's time to code. And welcome to C++ tutorial number 4, where we will be getting user input. Now, if you're new to C++ and you haven't seen any of my other C++ tutorials, then I'd advise that you right now go to my C++ tutorial number 1 so you can figure out the software that we're using to code and how to understand the program. Let's get to it. So, now here we have this program. And it's a simple C++ program. But now, I really want to get user input, but I don't know how. So, there's a function to get user input. And it's simple as cin. Now, cin will allow you to get user input and store it as a variable. For example, I'll create an int, and I'll call it cin1, and I'll give it and that's it. I won't give it any value. Now I'll cin1, and now we will print cin1. Now if we run this program, we will probably be able to type 1. And it'll print out 1. That is amazing. Now, this is only for numbers. You can do this for anything else. We can create a string, and we'll call it cin1 again. And we'll run the program, and we'll type in pi. And it'll print out pi. Now, I don't only want to print out pi. I want to print out a whole sentence. And to do this, I want to get multiple user inputs. Now, it's as simple as creating multiple strings, giving it a name, creating another cin, and then printing it out like this, plus cin2. Now pi, it'll say hi ji. That's great, but this is kind of weird. I don't know anything I'm supposed to type. So let's kind of create a mini game. And it's pretty simple. Cout type your first name. Now, to make the next thing on a different line, all you do is type /n. Now, this /n will put the next thing in a different line. The cin, for example. cin1 will be on a different line because of that /n. Now, we'll have cout type your last name. Now, we'll do this. cin, oops, in 2. Now we'll see out this. This is your full name. And we'll see out C in 1 plus space plus C in 2. Now let's try that. Enter your first name. Code. Enter last name. Meister. Meister. This is your full name. Code Meister. That is amazing. That'll be it for this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one.